Synthlife AI has just been released, and today I'm going to share with you 7 crucial things you need to know about this cutting-edge software. Whether you're new to AI or looking to step up your game, stick around because this could be the tool that revolutionizes the way you work. I'm going to break down everything you should know so you can decide if Synthlife AI is worth your time. Plus, you can try it completely free from the first link below, no strings attached. First off, Synthlife AI is not just another AI tool that promises to save you time and effort. It's designed to genuinely improve your workflow by automating complex tasks, simplifying decision-making, and accelerating content creation. The software was made with ease of use in mind, so whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or content creator, Synthlife AI aims to integrate seamlessly into your daily processes. One of the most notable features of Synthlife AI is its ability to generate high-quality, customized content in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Imagine being able to write entire blog posts, create social media content, and even generate video scripts, all tailored to your specific needs and style. This means you can focus on high-level strategy while Synthlife handles the content-heavy lifting. Synthlife AI uses advanced natural language processing to ensure that the content it produces doesn't sound robotic or generic. It's remarkably human-like, meaning that your output will resonate with audiences and remain relevant to your niche. Whether you're creating content for your blog, marketing campaign, or even crafting social media posts, you'll notice an improvement in quality and engagement with minimal effort. The second thing you need to know is its integration capabilities. Synthlife AI is compatible with a wide range of platforms and tools that you might already be using. From integrating with your CRM system to social media schedulers, this software works alongside what you already have in place. For digital marketers and content creators, this is huge because you don't have to overhaul your current setup to benefit from Synthlife AI. Another key feature is the customizability of the software. You can fine-tune the AI to match your tone, style, and specific content needs. Whether you're writing in a formal tone for corporate clients or a casual conversational style for your personal brand, Synthlife allows you to adjust its settings to fit seamlessly with your voice. This is a game changer for anyone who struggled to get AI to match their unique style or personality. Let's talk pricing, because this is important, right? Synthlife AI offers flexible plans to cater to different needs and budgets. From individual users to larger businesses, there's a plan for everyone. And as I mentioned earlier, you can try Synthlife for free from the first link in the description, which makes it a low-risk option for anyone looking to explore AI-generated content. What makes Synthlife stand out is its constant updates. The developers behind this software are committed to making continuous improvements, and that means you're getting an AI tool that only gets smarter with time. The more you use it, the better it becomes, making your experience more efficient and seamless with every update. But here's something you might not know. Synthlife AI isn't just for text. It's also designed to work with visual content, like generating images or video snippets that complement your written content. This makes it an all-in-one solution, saving you time and effort across multiple content creation channels. If you're a content creator or marketer, this could be a total game changer. Now, if you're skeptical about how well this software actually performs, you're not alone. A lot of AI tools out there promise the world, but fail to deliver. However, after testing thousands of AI tools, I can tell you that Synthlife AI performs exceptionally well compared to its competitors. It's clear that the team behind it has put significant effort into making it practical, versatile, and user-friendly. So if you want to take your content creation to the next level and make your workflow more efficient, Synthlife AI is definitely worth checking out. Just make sure you try it yourself through the first link below. You can get started for free and see how it fits into your business or personal projects. Lastly, I've got my recommended AI tools listed in the description below. After testing thousands of AI softwares, these are the ones I trust to get the job done right. You can try them all for free and find out what works best for you. Remember, Synthlife AI is here to simplify your content creation process. It's a tool designed for those who want to work smarter, not harder. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and check out the links in the description to start using Synthlife AI for free today.